Hello and welcome to all. Can your PC run Windows 11? There is a check tool that Microsoft created to the new Windows 11. So let's start. And at Google search bar, type Windows 11 check and choose upgrade to a new Windows 11 operating system, and then enter this website. Down there you will see all the features, all the updates, and the introducements about the new creation. And down at the bottom you can see the application that check your compatibility of your PC, of your computer. Let's download it, run it. These are the requirements about your prerequisites of your computer, your laptop. The RAM, the storage, network, internet connectivity, and display above 9-inch, etc. So let's run the PC health check. Accept the license, install, run it. It's very quickly, and then open it. Add to shortcut to desktop and then open it. As you can see, let's open it. As you can see, there is a glance about your PC, the RAM, the storage, etc. You can back up before. So as you can see, the check failed and there is a component that is missing. It's called, I think, the TPM. Let's check it. There is a way to test the Trust platform, the TPM. Yes, module. Type tpm.msc and then press open. And as you can see, the Microsoft console, you will see now, announce that there is incompatibility and what can you do to solve it. So I've gathered some articles and questions like FAQ. You can pause it and read how to enable the TPM. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, vote and comment